instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this instant. This instant. This instant.
Multi-kill.
This instant. Clap your hands to the beat this.
Hey guys, and I'm here. It's the Joshua Productions here, and I'm here with a mixed up of words. Here with another tutorial on how the basic editing features of Sony Vegas Pro 9. Now, if you haven't seen my basic tools or functions, whatever I'm going to call it, video on Sony Vegas, it might be helpful to watch that. But it was very basic, very simple, and for those people that look at this screen and go, holy crap, what's that, and what's that, and what's that, la-di-da-di-da, so on. Now, I'm just going to edit some quick text and a media generator, and play around with some transitions and video effects. I will not put any media behind it today because it's just basic, like I said. So I will start out by importing a video track and another video track just in case. Now I will insert some text media, and I will go to highlight that, changed it to where is it, Sony Sketch. It's a pretty good font. Oops, not typing anything. That's the Joshua Productions, and I'll small it down, or change the font size because it's pretty big text, so I'll change it to 55. No, it's still small. Okay, 48 then. Alright, and as you can see on the preview screen, that's what it looks like. Now, I'm going to go to properties, and I'm going to change the color of my font, maybe to black, but don't worry. And then we go to effects, and then we go draw outline, and then I can go either like white, or like yellow, or something like that. And I will change the width of it, maybe put a little bit more feather onto it so it looks alright. Still want it to be bright, and then maybe drop shadow. No, there's nothing. Alright, so that's just a basic editing thing, and what we can do is we can go to 1 second within the keyframe down here. Keyframes are very important to video editing. It's a main keyword. So now what we're going to do is we go to 1 second, like I said, and I'm going to change the color of my outside so it's red. Ooh. And I'm going to go smooth. So we'll see how that is. Look, play and change color. It's pretty cool. Now you can do that. That's getting into the intermediate stuff. I don't care what you do. Now, so we've got our text, I guess. Now I'm going to import a media generator. I'm going to put in a noise texture, maybe, and I'm going to put it behind my text. So what I'm going to put in microscopic threads. Put that in there, and you'll see how there. You can change the colours here. I'm going to change it to black and maybe blue. No, maybe just a real pale red. I'll just change down how much it shows through there. I'll darken. See, it looks pretty good. And then what I'll do is I'll go to the very end of my media, and I'll change progress and degree so it looks like it's moving, and I'll just change that to full. Actually, I'll just change that to 8. So then if we look at it, and I smallen this down to my text, So it's behind my text at all times. And I start it playing, you'll see it starts moving in the background. So, after that, so we basically got our basic text. Alright, so we are now going to learn the very basic fade. So I'm going to go to my, I'm going to click and drag this to 10 seconds just to make it a little longer, so I can just help with the fade a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I might fade my text to 2 seconds, maybe. I wouldn't do it that long, but I'm just going to show it for this tutorial, and maybe this for 1 second. And then I'm going to do the same, go back down 2 seconds on this side, and then go back down 1 second on this side. So then when we look at it, it fades into it. Cool. Alright, now we've got our two like fancy text titles with our noise generators, but transitions, I'll tell you a little bit more transitions. So to go into transitions, basically what we need is another copy of media. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly copy both of these. I'll just copy them and just paste them. You can make new just texts and medias and different sources, I guess, different medias. And yeah, I'll go okay because I don't want to reference it. Alright, so I'll just click both of them by holding down Control. And yeah, now we got our two, even though they're exact same, I'm only showing you the basics of video editing. So now if I go to one of my transitions, I'll probably use a what should we use? I guess we'll use a fly in, fly out one. So I'll apply it to exit that. I'll apply it to both of my sources down here, and I'll apply it, and you'll see that now it loads in. You can't really see it properly because it's got the same media, but it just flew in then. Yeah, so you got your MIDI generators and transitions.